YouTube channel. We are group 1.1 and today we are presenting on a simple payroll management system. So a simple payroll management system is a computerized automated system that helps or process the calculation and managing of employee salaries, their bonuses, the deduction and taxes that are made. It also makes it easier and faster with the reduction of human error. So I will show you some of this project background, which is accurate calculation, manual risk, automated solution. We proceed with problem statement, and that is some problems and solid solution. We proceed to some of these aim and objectives, and the most important part is some formulas and decisions. So we give you the gross salary, which is basic salary plus allowance, then the net salary, which is equal to gross salary minus the deduction.
My name is Eric Oguila, and I serve as the GitHub manager for our payroll management system. As the GitHub manager, I was responsible for creating the GitHub and creating the GitHub repo. So this is our GitHub repo. So we have the algorithm, we have the simple payroll document, we have the README, we have the example, we have the main CC plus the payroll. I also collected everybody mail to contribute so that they can contribute to the improvement of the payroll system. So these are our contributors, that's 10 contributors. These are our readmes and everybody's what is assigned to do. This is it.
So,
thank you.
I'm Kingsley Ahem, and I'll be taking you through the algorithm of the simple payroll management system. So the first step is to start the program. So this is where the program starts. And the step 2 is to display the title. So from here we show the system title to the user. So the step 3 is to open a file to save the payroll report. And the step 4, we ask how many employees we are processing. And the step 5, we set the total salary to 0. Step 6, that's where we take every employee's details. So for step 7, we check every employee's details, and if it is wrong, it will reject that employee. And step 8, we calculate the net salary of each employee. So step 10, we finally save everything to the file. And the last step is to end the program. So I designed the algorithm. It calculates the employee's data, validates it, calculates the net salary, and save everything to the file. And it makes payroll faster.
Hello everyone,
and error-free.
I'm Derek, and I'm here to represent this flowchart, which shows a simple payroll management system. It starts by displaying the system title, opening a payroll report file, and asking for the number of employees. This user then enters each employee's details, including salary, allowance, and deduction. The system validates the data, calculates the gross and net salary, and checks if the deduction is greater than the gross salary. Based on this, the salary status is set to either ready for payment or review required. The payroll report is saved, the total net salary is updated, and the process repeats for all employees. Finally, the system displays a summary, closes the report, and stops.
So this is the C method. This is the main CPP coding. So in here we have the libraries, and in this coding we have the output, we have the input, and we have the processing. The input collect the data of the employees, so that this side, and you have the processing. The processing calculate the data. So this is the processing side, and we have the output. The output displays the name, the results of the payroll system. So this is the output. So by simulating it, so by the employee name, number, the employee ID, the name. So this is a simple payroll system.
Hello everyone, I'm called Ebenezer Dochu, and I'm here to present a project document of a simple payroll management system. So project document is the collection of the data or report, the process, and the details of the outcome of a project. So here are the sample of the project, the reports. So the abstract is the details of the project or the summary of the project, and the introduction of the project, the problem statements of the project, the aim of the project, the objective of the project, the system analysis of the project, that is the formula to calculate the allowance of the employee, the algorithm, the step-by-step of the project, the PISO code, the flow charts, the concepts used for the project, the testing of the project, and the challenge encountered, the solution, and the conclusion of the project, and the reference where you can get some of the documents. Okay, thank you.